chiefs na chiefs, tafadhali tutulize wananchi.
Anigoko na ria gugikinyitio na njira nene ni mabithaa nene thirikari-ini matongoretio ni President Uhuru Kenyatta munini wake William Ruto. Mwena wa mung'ethaniro ugitongorio ni Raila Odinga gukungwira miaka 55 kuma riria bururi wahiro wiathi wa thiini. Abara ya kurana tamathia ungumania uri uthiite na mbere igikirirwo uritu makiria. Rita riri President akiruta mwerekera mweru hari kung'ethanira na ngukumio kuria athanite mabithaa othe na makoretwo makirugamirira honge cia thirikari makuru makigerekwo kabiru na monekana na maroro ma ngukumio marugamio wira.
As an initial step, all heads of procurement and accounts in government ministries, departments, agencies and parastatals will undergo fresh vetting, including polygraph testing, to determine their integrity and suitability. Those who shall fail the vetting will stand suspended.
President agikuruhania ungumania na ukoro ni uria Kenya yagereire mbere ya kuheo wiathi ni atugirite ikinya ria magoti kwiraniro nyitaniri wao na thirikari hari bara ino ya kuhukia ungumania agititirithia gutire mundu wikuruhanite na ungumania agukorwo akierisha guoko kwa watho.
I am glad that the rest of senior officials have been made, and I can tell you that there are more on the way. I want officials, particularly senior ones who are directly implicated in corruption, to have no place in my administration and for them to go where they belong, which is in jail.
Mieri ya President ukete orere bururi thite na mbere kung'etherwo ni ngukumio ruhonge rwa NYS ya shilingi bilioni 8, bodi ne irio nyumo NCPB ya bilioni 1.9 hamwe na honge ingi cia thirikari. President agithingata unyitaniri kuma kuri ya Kenya na atongoria othe niguo gutigirira bara ya ungumania ni ahotwo.
While the challenge may look huge because of the way corruption has become entrenched in some of our people, today we have to declare in unison that corruption in all its forms will be diminished from our country. Like colonialism was defeated, so too we shall defeat corruption.
A President ni atugiretie wira wa munene wa vrithi a uthuthuria nio DCI undu umwe na mutongoria wa thitango cia mwingi kumana na uthuthuria wa naihenya na muigiriku ngukumini cia isha ikuhi kuria eranire unyitaniri kuma kuri thirikari niguo kumahotiria kuruta wira wao hatari mihingoro yothe.
Their work will bear fruit when the judiciary also responds by ensuring the frivolous and obstructive use of the court system to avoid responsibility will no longer be allowed.
Mwariki mukaru ministry-ini ya urutiwira wa muigeliria no molo na mutafariri munene wa NYS Richard Duval ni amwe aria mathite na mbere kumira na kigokora njera-ini o metereire guthikiririo gwa cira wao. Abara ya kuhitana na aria maugumete kigina kia mwingi igikirirwo uritu makiria thiini wa ndumiria muthenya wa umuthi mutongoria wa bururi akiuga matire na kanya thiini wa thirikari yake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV de Kinoru Stadium kaunti-ini ya Meru. Titagwo Maina Kihumo.